Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
Rio de Janeiro
is the second largest city in Brazil, literally meaning River of January. It is famous for its beaches, carnival festival, and the Christ the Redeemer statue overlooking the city.
Rio de Janeiro 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 Rio de Janeiro.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.